Hey, so check it out. I found some Chessie Steam Special baby Madison cars on sale, so I picked them off eBay. And so I had this early MPC era 442 Atlantic. I really like the looks of them, and they're tough, they're heavy, they're good pullers. I had to put a new traction tire on it. I also replaced the bell. I put some armor all over it to kind of give it a sheen. And then I took a yellow paint pen and I dressed up the running boards because I wanted to customize the tender. It was that C&O, the heat stamped one. I sanded that down smooth, and then I made a decal. I used Print Shop Pro to get the decal the right size, and I printed it out on the no spray decal paper. The white works excellent. The clear, don't bother. The decals run and it won't stick, but the white I found works really good. So I put the decal on. I've given it about 5 coats of cover spray afterwards when everything dried. And I also took that paint pen and I dressed up the handrails and the grab irons and ladders on the tender. And of course, before I put power to any, especially the MPC era tenders or the Mark Sound of Power tenders, I always replace the foam board because the other one, the original one's all disintegrated, and you've got to have something between that board and the metal frame or it'll short out and burn out your board. So this one has a good working board. Again, it's the Sound of Steam and Whistle. Again, I really like the early MPC era Atlantics. They're tough. I like the front ends. The newer ones I don't care for, but these older ones are just tough locomotives. And so we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. And we'll give the whistle a shot. And we'll pick the camera up and kind of follow it around here. And the smoke unit's working pretty good now. And I hope to collect the other cars. I'm in no hurry, so I'll see if I can find them. If you're patient, you can get them pretty reasonable. And I think there were 5 cars to this set. I've got the first 2. Need the observation and the 2 passenger cars. Pretty decent smoke unit in this one. All right, put the camera back down, we'll bring her in. All right, so as I keep collecting the cars, once I get the train completed, I'll make another little video of it. But anyway, thanks again for watching. God bless, never forget, Jesus is Lord.